A very good morning to all grade 10 ICSE students. I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to introduce you with the reduced syllabus for the session 2021-2022. Students who are going to appear for their board examination, this video is a must-watch video for everyone, because there are many students and there are many schools also who have covered the syllabus of grade 9, few chapters and few poems. So we will have to apply a break. And before I introduce you with the latest reduced syllabus, I would just say one thing, that this syllabus is only for grade 10 ICSE students. So let's see what changes has the ICSE board brought forward for you people. Okay, so we'll just start with English language. Class 10 session 2021-2022. That means the students who would be appearing for board in the year 2022. English language, there is no change. Mark my words again. There is no change. The paper is of 80 marks. 20 marks would be awarded for internal assessment, and the school teachers would be taking care of it. English language, essay writing, letter writing, notice, email, unseen passage, that includes précis writing also. Unseen passage plus précis, and then functional grammar. And what does functional grammar include? Verbs, synthesis of sentences, transformation of sentences, and the most important, prepositions. So this is how your English language paper would appear. Whatever you did in grade 9, you would be getting in grade 10. But there is something very interesting, and this is a golden opportunity for grade 10 students, that they can score almost full marks in literature. Reason why? Because ICSE board has reduced your syllabus to a great extent. So let's see what is the most important point in this PDF. Note, candidates will be tested only on the portion of the syllabus that is prescribed for class 10. Never before, as far as my experience is concerned, never before this thing has happened, not even the last year. So you people in literature, what you would be studying, first of all, the paper would comprise of 80 marks. And once again, 20 marks as internal assessment. Students, Act 1 and Act 2 has been deleted. It won't be appearing in your English literature exam. No extract based questions would be there. Only, see this, I'm marking it clearly. Only Act 3, Act 4 and Act 5. That means Act 1 and Act 2 have been deleted for the session 2021-2022. So say goodbye to Prince of Morocco, Prince of Aragon, and you'll have to study Act 3, Act 4 and Act 5 only. Let's come up to the prose and poetry section. In poetry, there are only 4 poems coming up, only 4 poems. And believe me, the day I would be discussing the marking scheme exam pattern, believe me students, do not miss that video. I would be disclosing that what extracts you would be getting in your exam. So there are 4 poems. I know why. The Caged Bird Sings, The Patriot, Abu Ben Adham, 9 gold medals. These poems are included in your curriculum. Let's see what short stories: The Little Match Girl, The Blue Bleed, My Greatest Olympic Prize, and All Summer in a Day. So 4 poems plus 4 chapters plus Act 3, Act 4, Act 5. This is your curriculum of grade 10. And you won't believe earlier what used to happen. Students had to go through Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, Act 4, Act 5, all scenes. 10 chapters and 10 poems. So you are very lucky. Believe me, you are very lucky. English has been an obstruction. It has been an obstruction. Why? Because many of them, they score less in English language. So they question that, sir, just because of English, my percentage is affected. So now you can see that English language and English literature, though there has been no reduction in the English language syllabus, but there has been a hell lot of reduction in English literature syllabus. Please take the advantage of it. Look at this, Act 1 and Act 2 has disappeared. All 6 chapters and poems have disappeared. No need to go through grade 9 syllabus. Complete your syllabus till the month of October and November and get free. You can invest a lot of time in your practical subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology. So students, this is your syllabus. You can go through this video and I would be highlighting it once again. Look at this. And it would comprise of 80 marks. Literature paper, the paper pattern would be the same. You'll have to attempt 5 questions. 16 marks each, equal to 80 marks. Equal to 80 marks. And can you see this? We are just waiting. We are just waiting to see the miracle. Miracle, by miracle, what I'm trying to say is that I think so students will score 100. Obviously in the next year. Why? Because we have 3 acts and all these 3 acts will appear. I have seen that many of the students, they are very worried. Sir, please tell me some important scene. Please tell me some important act. Now, even we teachers are free. All the 3 acts would be coming in your exam. All the 3 acts, and you'll have to attempt according to the instructions. And out of 4 poems, you will get 3 sure shot. Out of 4 chapters, you will get 3 chapters sure shot. So smart work and hard work. All the best, students. I am Tarun sir and I take care of the subject English. You can contact me. I would be sharing this screen. See, this is my contact number. My online classes are already running on Zoom app. I have also commenced my offline classes. I teach in the city of Lucknow. Location is not a constraint. Don't worry, we have multiple branches. So grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, any board, I would be taking care of it. So once again, all the best. Thank you so much. God bless you all.